Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's March 20th, 2012. It's Tuesday morning, and macro market influences are dominating the grain trade here this morning. We believe most of the grain contracts are lower this morning. Corn down as much as 9 cents, beans 10 to 15 cents lower, and expect that we probably will see the opening at 9:30 somewhere in that price range. Some of the things that are influencing trade here is the old crop, new crop spreads. We've seen some profit taking in those spreads yesterday. We may see a little more here today as those spreads had big moves over the last several weeks. However, there will be some adjustments as we go into this USDA report next week. The quarterly stocks report is going to be very significant and very impactful, more than likely, on the corn market as tight supplies. Traders are expecting that there's going to be some very tight supplies in old crop corn, which could provide some benefit there. And then the planted acreage could be a big weight on the new crop corn. So those spreads could move sharply, and in 1996 there was a sharp move after this report when we had tight stocks coming into the report. So I think traders will be getting set for that, and some jockeying here, some position evenings, profit taking and so forth ahead of that. We did get export inspections yesterday, and trade was looking for much better inspections than we received in all the three major commodities: corn, wheat, and soybeans. Russia did announce yesterday afternoon that they will not limit grain exports this year, and one of the agricultural advisors there suggested that they may even export as much as 27 million metric tons compared to the 2009 shipments of around 21 million metric tons. So that's what put pressure on the wheat market and kind of started the weakness yesterday. And then the follow-through that we're seeing this morning coming from the macro markets, the risk-off type attitude that we're seeing pretty much across the agricultural complex. The Saudi king did announce or comment yesterday that he is going to do everything in his power to help control and reduce oil prices in order to help the global economy recover. And I think that's why we're seeing some pressure in the crude oil prices here this morning. Also, talk of the Chinese economic recovery is not going as well as thought, and that's giving the dollar some strength here this morning as well, and causing some negative reactions over in the agricultural commodities. So look for some choppiness there. We expect that we will see some good support beneath the old crop corn, especially, and the old crop beans, as demand has and should step back in on any kind of weakness that we see here, especially if you get the old crop corn below that 650, 640 range. There'll be some business more than likely step in and give us some support at that level. In the cattle complex, we finally got some good news there yesterday, where we've seen cutout values improve. Choice was up $1.83, Select up 85. That is one of the first days in a long time we've seen that happen. In the pork complex, however, cutouts there were down about 40 cents. I think the key to the cattle complex here is going to be how well it holds support. There's some technical chart points that we need to watch. The April hog contracts at around the 85.45 area. If we close below there, that could be indication that we get some more selling and some more pressure and liquidation of longs. And the cattle, April cattle have got support around that 24.5 area in Friday's lows, and watch those very closely. If we close below Friday lows in the cattle complex or any contract, more than likely we'll see some more selling pressure there. So we're sitting on some technical support here. Starting to see some good and better demand for beef, some improvement there. Supplies still remain tight in the cattle complex. So the battle going on. How much outside influences we get will be the determining factor, we believe. So stay in touch with Allendale's research. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.